First and foremost, I'd like to say that the vicinity of Pag-asa has a normal presence of maritime militia and the Coast Guard, sapagkat ito ay malapit sa Subi Reef. So at any one time, you would notice that there are a good number of maritime militia vessels and the Chinese Coast Guard. On the atin to, they started sailing early this morning. The last report from the group was that they were being tailed by 2 Chinese Coast Guard vessels. Atin ito is a civil society effort. They have done all the coordination with the appropriate government agencies prior to the conduct of the activity. We fully support them, the Philippine Navy, the AFP, and even other government agencies in the maritime domain are prepared to respond to support anything that they would need while conducting their concert at sea.